All right, back here on Joey's 289. New oil pumps here and in. Xander cleaned up our pickup tube. It's all nice and pretty and on and tightened down. He's also got our oil pump on, gasketed, ready to rock and roll. And Xander and Riley both cleaned the oil pan. It's ready to go. So our next step here, we're gonna set our gasket, which we use the nice one-piece one. We don't use the cork junk. Set our gasket, get it in, and we're gonna set our pan on, and then we're gonna bolt that baby down. Then, Xander get excited, we get to turn this thing over, put oil in it, put the filter on it, and prime the oil pump. All right, we have our pan gasket in and set up. Now these one pieces, when they're clean, everything's clean and nice, you do not need a silicone bomb there. Because the tabs go in the tabs, everything's nice. And we can run these in. Hey, I'm shooting video! So, Xander and I are going to run these down and be all done. Does this count as like, you know when you're little, it's like baby's first steps? Is this baby's first oil pan?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at us. We're making you a grown-up. Nice. Use the cordless, run them in. And then we'll snug them up after the fact. This one here. All right, now go get your halves and do the same. Oh, that one there too. Now do the same thing with the halves. There we go. And then.
Is that?
Yep, get that one. All right, now do the halves, and then I'm gonna come around and I'll get them all snugged up. Nice. Pan's done, oil's in, filter's on. Nice. All right. Progress, baby. Tastes great, less filling. All right, Xander, prime it. Look, it's already flowing. Now we gotta do this until all of them get oil, okay? You're gonna want to give the grill a break every now and then because it will get hot. I burned one up trying to go ahead. But look at, we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
Yeah. Let that mellow out because I've already killed one of those doing this. And it's really hot out. So yeah, let's let that chill like 5 minutes and we'll come back. What? It's priming, look. Xander, you got oil.
Yep.
Nice. Nothing's going on the floor. Double nice. All right. Oil system coming together.